So we are back with our candlestick series, and we're going to be talking about more candlestick patterns in the overall market, what they mean, what they do to the price. And we're just going to be continuing the series. As you all know, we have a series on this channel where we explain all the type of different candlesticks, how they affect the price. And this is just I think it's part 4 of the whole series. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And the candlestick pattern we are talking about in this video are the 3 white soldiers and the 3 black crows. So we're just going to be talking about what the names mean and what they actually look like. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are on a website called morpher.com, and we are looking at this article where we explain candlesticks, and we have pulled up this portion of the article where they're explaining the 3 white soldiers and the 3 black crows. So we're going to be looking at them one by one. So first, let's talk about the 3 white soldiers. So this is what 3 white soldiers look like. 3 white soldiers basically meaning 3 continuous green candles in a row, similar in size. So as you can see, they look very similar, and they're in a row. So 3 green candles in a row, similar size. That is called 3 white soldiers. Let's read this part right here. The 3 white soldiers pattern is a bullish reversal pattern consisting of 3 green candlesticks with small shadows. This pattern is more reliable when it comes in a downtrend that has been developing for a longer period of time. For this pattern to be valid, each candlestick has to open near the previous candlestick's close price. Trader and analysts often interpret this pattern as a signal to enter long positions or add to existing ones, expecting further price gains. So if we talk about this pattern is mostly reliable when we are seeing a long downtrend like this. We are seeing more consolidation, downward consolidation, and then we continue to see these 3 green candles, similar in size, short shadows, and near the closing price of the other candle. So this is what the 3 white soldiers are. And if we go down lower in the article, we can continue to look at the 3 black crows. So this is basically the inverse of what these candles of what we talked about before this. This is basically the inverse, called 3 black crows, and as you can see, it's basically the opposite. We were in an uptrend before we saw these candlesticks, and we see 3 continuous green candlesticks, similar in size, short shadows, and basically near the closing price of the open. So that's basically around the opposite. If you look at this is a downtrend. Now we uptrend, 3 green candles in a uptrend, and this was an uptrend. Now 3 red candles in a downtrend. So basically this is a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, let's read this part. The 3 black crows pattern is a bearish reversal pattern that is more accurate when it forms at the end of an uptrend. Think of this as an upside down 3 white soldiers pattern. So as we talked about, basically the inverse of that pattern. This pattern is formed by 3 consecutive bearish candlesticks. The opening of each candlestick occurs at the previous candlestick's closing price, and the closing price is lower than the opening price. The 3 black crows pattern is particularly significant when it comes to higher price levels after a mature advance, indicating a potential decline in prices. So after we have seen a lot of upwards movement and we were in a big uptrend, then if we see these 3 candles, we can possibly predict that the price is going to be reversed. We are going to start heading in the bearish direction or the downwards direction, and we can potentially see a lower price decline. So these two are very similar. We can expect the opposite in three white soldiers if we are seeing a big downtrend, and when we see these three soldiers, we can expect the price to go bullish and have a new bull run starting in these three candlesticks. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about the three white soldiers and the three black crows, talking about what they look like, what they do to the overall trend, and we just went over how it is important to understand them and to basically what they are. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams on this channel, talking about any recent crypto movements, any recent price changes that has happened in the market. And so do make sure to check that live stream out daily, and do make sure to check out my other long form content like this, where I talk about more informative videos, more news, crypto news, and any new crypto community forming and everything in that pattern. So do make sure to check out my long form content like this as well. So if you did enjoy this video, click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what other videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.